Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to convert to JPG. So as example I will create table, you can sort in cells and go to insert, click table and OK. Now if you want to convert this table into JPG, you can pressing print screen on the keyboard and then open the Paint software, click paste. The next, you can selection these tables by using the select tools. I will select from this point into here. After it, you can click crop. Now you can save this file into JPG by clicking the save tools. Okay, you can change into JPG and you can set the name. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to convert to JPG. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.